Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Franzi. If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome back. It is a very sunny day in Berlin, which is extremely rare in November. Usually we're overcast until the new year, so that's what makes it a quite special day. It's a blue sky, almost as blue as it gets this time of year, and we thought we're gonna leave the house. So I think we're gonna go around Müggelsee, or maybe not around the whole lake because it's like the biggest lake we have in Berlin. But in this area, I think it's gonna be nice to leave the house. Our mood has been a bit gloomy because of recent news. I don't know when you're watching that, but end of November 2021, when I'm filming this, there have been new developments when it comes to the pandemic, which is still ongoing. That means travel restrictions have been put on some countries, not Germany yet. No one knows what's gonna happen when new variants come up, and yeah, my friend was gonna go to South Africa, where he's from, for the first time in like 3 years. He missed the birth of like his nieces and all that, and now there is a ban on South Africa, so once again he might not be allowed to go, and that sucks. And it's honestly something that I've been dreading for weeks and weeks, ever since we booked our flights to Canada. That's why we're concerned. We're gonna go to Canada for almost a month. If everything goes to plan, we're leaving in like 15 days, but who knows? I've been worried about this, yeah, for weeks, because I thought something's gonna happen. I just have a feeling that like, I don't want to get excited. Our friends and family in Canada, they're so excited. One of my friends, Nikki, I don't know, I feel bad. Like every time, every other day, she's like so excited. I made all these plans for when you're here, and I want to be excited, but at the same time, I feel like I can't let myself, and I can only relax when I'm on the plane and I know it's gonna take off, because right now lots of stuff is getting cancelled, and it's not Germany yet, but I don't know. We even considered leaving early to maybe get around any bans that might instate, because if they say we're double vaccinated, I even had my booster shot, it went perfectly, but if we arrive and then we have to quarantine for like 2 weeks, we couldn't do that. Like, it would be impossible. We would just sit in an apartment somewhere on the other side of the world, but we wouldn't be allowed to see anybody, do anything, so that would be pointless, really. Yeah, and right now we have to just wait and see how things develop, which is extremely frustrating for us and everybody probably in this situation. So I feel for everybody who once again can't go home for the holidays. It's been 2 years for us, and yeah, I know some people have not seen their family even longer, so I don't want to complain. It's just the uncertainty, and I'm already a quite anxious person, and now I'm even more anxious, and I've just woken up. Like, I just woken up. So yeah, I'm gonna drink my coffee now, maybe eat some breakfast, and hope that this walk is gonna do me some good, like being outside, fresh air. Funny enough, I've done this walk, I want to say either right after Christmas last year or right after New Year's. I'm unsure, one of these. I have a video just like that where I probably went the exact same route, just on my own. Today my partner is coming. It's super pretty there. It was supposed to snow today, but there's no snow. It's clear skies. Fine with me, but would have been nice to have a Christmassy snowy walk. But yeah, I made some sandwiches already. I'm gonna make coffee to take on our walk. Yeah, what else is there to talk about? I think that's it. Yeah, so I hope you want to see some suburbs of Berlin and some Berlin nature, because that's what you're gonna get today. No more complaining, just going on a nice walk. So come with me. Put our sandwiches, I mean my sandwich, in my Superbox Science sandwich bag. It's like plasticky inside. so you can easily clean it. And I love using this. For those who don't know, I'm part of Soapbox Science, where we elevate the voices of women scientists and bring them in the streets, basically. We can do talks and talk about their research to the public. Yeah. I'm watching like book videos. I decorated a little bit. Let me show you. So my partner plays lacrosse, so ignore that, but this I've had since I was like 5. My mom got this for me when I was a kid, and I love it. Every year I need to have a Christmas star. That's what we call them in German. I think in English it's like a poinsettia or something. I don't know. Let me know. Yeah, we have some stockings. Oh, this one. Ta-da! A tiny, tiny Christmas tree, which lights up, but I thought we don't need a real one because we were going to be away. So let's hope that we still don't need one. But yeah, that's it basically. This I've had up since Halloween because it's kind of like gray colored. But my friend Elizabeth made this. Like, she knitted this. Gave it to me before she moved to Scotland, and I just enjoy it, so it's still up. So yeah, not like a ton of Christmas decoration, but again, we're gonna leave mid-December. Still are, hopefully. And yeah, I'm watching a lot of Christmas movies right now, like, so, because I thought, oh, I don't have time when we're in Canada because all our friends are gonna want to spend time with us. So I'm watching lots of Christmas movies now, and I wanted at least some decoration, and I know it's quite early for some, but if you leave in mid-December, you want to at least decorate and have, you know, some enjoyment out of it, I thought. So I decorated already like a week ago. Yeah, don't judge me.